Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our third video in Python socket. So in the previous video we had a simple example of how you can get hostname and the IP address of your local machine. So this code was from the previous video that we have get the hostname and also the IP address of our local machine. So in this video I want to show you that how you can get a remote machine IP address, or we can tell that how you can get the IP address of a website. So now let's get started, and I've created a new Python file, and so in here okay, so the first thing I need to import socket like this. And now let me create a main method in here, so def main. Okay, now let me write remote host and now in here you need to write a website, for example a website name. Now this is my website, and let me just copy this. You can see that I have a lot of videos, a lot of source code in here and articles about programming. You can check this. I have added the link to the video description. So now let me just copy this. Okay, now after this let me create a try, and first let me print IP address of remote host plus is, and now you can write you can get the IP address. So socket.getHost by name. So my computer is a little slow, I don't know why. So get host by name, and in here you need to add this remote host like this, and in the accept we need to socket.error as e, and we need to print the error, print error. Dot format e. So now this is my complete code, and let me just in here let me f underscore name underscore main underscore main, and you can call your main in here. So now this is our code. We have imported the socket, and this is our, for example, our website name, and in here we are going to get our the IP address of this website or remote host, and you can get by using get host by name like this. So now if I run this, and let me just run this, and now you can see that this is the IP address of codeloop.org. So let me just change this to python.org, and if I run this, and now you can see that this is the IP address of python.org. So like this you can get the remote machine IP address, and also you can run this through terminal. Let me just show you. Open your terminal, and in here you can write Python remote machine.py. So now you can see that the result is the same. Thank you guys. I will add the source code to the video description to this website, and if you have any question please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel and also share and like the videos.